Wayne and Linda Goff have been homeowners for quite a few years, and in that time they've made more than a few improvements.
When y'all did this work in here now, what did he have you doing? Were you cutting? Were you nailing? Were you painting?
Watching.
Watching?
You miss this and you miss
Oh, you're quality control?
Yeah.
Today I'm pitching in with Wayne to add some crown molding to their home office.
Heck, man, that's plenty big for an office right here. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is, and we need to kind of dress it up a little bit,
Yeah.
you know.
Well, you put some crown molding in one of the other, you're telling me about in the other bedroom, how you had the old dark paneling that you painted, and then the crown molding back there. Man, that looks great.
Yeah. And the molding in here make a big difference in there.
All we need to do is we'll get these 4 measurements. There's no outside corners here, so this makes it pretty easy.
Yeah,
so
square it up. Yeah.
We'll get these if you'll hold the other end of
Okay, do it.
And I'll hold on to the smart end down here.
Give us a number over there.
Since few walls are perfectly plumb, it's important to take these measurements up at the ceiling for the best accuracy. Once we have the length for all 4 pieces, we take our notes out to the miter saw, which thankfully is situated out of the rain on Wayne's front porch. By orienting the molding against the saw fence, just like it will rest against the wall, we can make a simple 45-degree cut that'll allow the pieces on adjoining walls to line up perfectly. The tricky part is that this measurement is made along the bottom edge of the molding where it extends to the corner. So making the cut requires carefully eyeballing that mark and the blade to be sure they match. Back inside, we sort out what pieces go on what walls and begin putting them in place. We've cut these to fit snugly so we can force out the bow in the middle so that it closes any potential gap in the corners. Wayne's nail gun really speeds this part up, but it's not absolutely necessary to do the job.